I got a bill for $12,000 from a film crew in which the Garvin stole both of the cameras and both of the videotapes and are continuing to buy time on national television to try and embarrass the world heavyweight champion, Ric Flair. But you see, as long as Mr. Flair continues to reign as the world's heavyweight champion, it is in fact the rest of the world that is embarrassed. And we are going to single out one individual that's going to pay for this, and I'm talking about Ron Garvin.
You see what's happened here, Tony Schiavone? Is on a very legitimate basis, I beat Jimmy Garvin for the date. It was set. They owed me precious. That was the deal. And now, Ronnie Garvin, you got your nose right where I want it. You think you've embarrassed me? You think you're causing me a financial problem? Well, check it out, buddy. You're looking at the world champion. That's the only thing that matters in my life. I live, eat, sleep that championship belt. It's mine. And now, Garvin, you ask your brother what it felt like in that cage when I was tearing his leg off his body. Because, pal, this time, you don't have to ask any promoter in the country anywhere for a match with me. I want you. You see, Pally, what makes my clock tick, baby, is the fact that I'm the best and the greatest sport in the world. I'm Ric Flair. I'm a legend. I'm no Johnny-come-lately. I'm nobody's fool. And, pal, the first time will be the last time. And I mean that. The first time I got you in that ring will be the last time you got me. Woo!